Joe Zakis from YoChicago.com. I'm on a just open stretch of Chicago's popular Riverwalk and headed directly across the river to tour a penthouse at the stunning new Wolf Point West apartment tower. I'm in Penthouse 4403, a unit with 3 exposures, east, south, and west, and greeted immediately as I walk in by a view south along the river. This powder room, off to the left, with a nice sized vanity and a bank of drawers. Off to the right, it's a walk-in coat closet with a lot of organizers and a full bath with a walk-in shower. Second bedroom is off to the second bedroom as you continue down the hallway with a view west, looking out into the sunset at the right time of day, and closet that also has a striking view to the west. There's blonde, honey-colored plank flooring throughout the unit. And I'm now walking into what could be either the third bedroom or a den, man cave, although it's hard to conceive of a cave with 2 window walls and fabulous views. And it opens through double doors into the living dining kitchen. Living space faces due south along the river. View of the Willis Tower, view of the Loop, and an opening out into the balcony, which we'll visit later. Kitchen has quartz counters, a very large undermount stainless steel sink, pantry cabinet, sub-zero refrigerator, a wine cooler, a Bosch microwave under the counter, a Wolf range with a convection oven, small wine rack built into the kitchen. There's some soft close cabinetry, lots of drawers, lots of storage, and a space that lays out perfectly for a dining area with views south along the river and east along the river. Wolf Point's iconic location gives you exposure on all 3 branches of the Chicago River. Very unusual, very interesting site. Heading back toward the master bedroom wing now. It's a full-size washer-dryer, GE high-end. Then the master bedroom, looking east along the river. Master bath has a double bowl vanity, a stall shower, and a steeping tub with attractive tile up to the ceiling. What a fabulous room this is. Can you imagine waking up to this? Going to sleep to the dramatic lights at the end of the day. Views out to the Hancock, River North, Streeterville to the east, the Loop. And an additional treat, a walk-in closet with a lot of shelving and hanging space, and that dramatic view. You're going to want to hang out in this space when you get dressed in the morning. Heading back now out for a look at the balcony. The balcony has a good size. To Bucktown, River Park, River West, the Fulton River District. Out over the West Loop at this point. 3 exposures, you're never going to be at a loss of light in this unit. It's a fabulous penthouse in a great building with terrific amenities.